Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and here at Dherbs, we get tons and tons of health-related questions. But this week, we're going to tackle dehydration. And our first question comes from Nielsen KR. In ancient times and places where potable water was scarce and people drink alcoholic beverages for substance, how were the people not dehydrated and hungover all the time? This is fiction. If you drink a lot of modern alcohol, it will absolutely dehydrate you. But the average beer today is 6 to 10% alcohol. But check this out, in ancient times, the average beer was only 1 to 2%, and it was also diluted with water. It's not enough to dehydrate you, so therefore it wasn't a real concern. Our next question comes from Vinco. Why does rapid rehydration kill? This is a fact. If you've ever been seriously dehydrated, the doctor might tell you to slowly drink water when you're trying to get back normal. The reason why your doctor is instructing you to do this is because when you're seriously dehydrated and you're trying to hydrate your fast at a fast rate, you actually can mess up your sodium levels within your blood. Basically, your body has an ideal percentage of sodium in your blood related to the amount of water in it. When you get dehydrated, there's not enough water in your bloodstream to keep a good ratio. So water starts getting pulled out from your cells to make up the difference through osmosis. If you suddenly chug a bunch of water, there's more than you need in your blood and not enough in your cells. All the water tries to get back into your cells at one time. That's more than they can handle, so your cells swell and can even burst. But the real danger comes from when your brain cells start swelling. That can cause cerebral edema, which are symptoms like a headache, nausea, and even seizures. In worst cases, it can actually kill you. Now, look, it's extremely hard to put your body in that kind of condition. But just remember, if you are dehydrated, to pace yourself. The last question comes from JBM The Dream. Why do salty foods dehydrate you, but drinks like Pedialyte and Gatorade, which have a lot of sodium, rehydrate you? This is a fact. It's just like we talked about before. Your sodium levels and your water levels has to be proportional within your bloodstream. When you drink things like Gatorade and other electrolytes, the proportion is already balanced. So if you just eat salt and there's no water in your system, you're just going to get dehydrated. That's all for today, and thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.